David from FG Barnes here, presenting to you the phenomenal Vauxhall Combo E short wheelbase panel van we have in stock currently. Available for a price of £22,303 on the road. That's giving a saving of £14,691 off the recommended retail price. I'm just going to highlight some of the features as I walk around with the video. Colour's called Kaolin White. A really excellent colour for said vehicle. We have two sliding doors, so one on this side, the driver's side, and also one on the passenger side, which I'll demonstrate as we get round there. To the rear of the vehicle we have parking sensors inset into the bumper and a rear parking camera. Now, one of the key features of this award-winning vehicle is the left-hand side door that we're looking at is slightly wider than the right, so that gives us slightly larger opening to enable us to put larger items within there. Very easy to open both doors, giving us a huge access to the back there. As you can see on the flooring there, it's ridged, helping to raise loads off the ground, and also has 6 tie-down points within there. So working round to the passenger side, again the aforementioned sliding door. Opening the passenger side door, you can see a comfortable seat, hardware and cloth upholstery, carpeted flooring. The door card has lots of storage areas in there as well, and the storage within the dashboard for a large amount of different options. Moving round to the driver's side now. So on the driver's door card there, we've got our electric mirror adjustment, and we have our twin electric window switches. There are speakers set into the door as well. Of auto headlights, controls for the headlight adjustment and the rear stat. Vehicle obviously comes with 2 keys. Let's just get in the vehicle. A little bit of power on. The very large music system there gives us a facility to utilize Apple CarPlay or an Android facility in the same format. We've also got an air conditioning system and the electronic brake, electronic handbrake and drive facilities on there. I do hope this is of interest. Be delighted to hear from you. If you want any further information, I can help in any way, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My telephone number is 01483 885 885. That's David at FG Barnes, 01483 885 885. If you prefer to contact me by email, it's david.loynes@barnes-group.co.uk. So that's david-loynes@barnes-group.co.uk. Thank you. Bye-bye.